How to fix Facebook profile not showing on Newsfeed. This can be frustrating, especially when your friends and followers can't see your latest photo. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix this issue. Let's dive in. First, check the privacy settings of your profile picture. For that, launch your Facebook and head towards your profile page. Now go ahead and open up your profile picture. Click on three dots. Click on the option of Edit Privacy. Make sure you have checked for the option of Public. Likewise, when you upload a new profile picture, make sure the Share to Newsfeed option is enabled. If this isn't selected, the picture won't appear in the newsfeed even though it's updates on your profile. So let me upload a profile picture. For that, you can head back, click on this camera icon, click on the option of Select Profile Picture. Go ahead and select your profile picture. Then at the bottom, you'll see the option of Show Your Update to Newsfeed. Check in for that option. Now I can save it. With that, your new profile picture will be updated and it will be available in the newsfeed. Likewise, make sure you are using the latest version of Facebook app. To check that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Facebook. After app appears, click on it. You'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem will be fixed. If all these solution doesn't work, what you can do is completely uninstall the app and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Facebook app. Click on the option of Remove App. Click on Delete App. Once you delete this app, launch your Play Store or App Store and then search for the app Facebook and download it. And that's how you fix your Facebook profile picture not showing on the newsfeed. By following these steps, you will have your profile picture visible to everyone again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.